Now, third model is network model. Third model is what? Network model. So in the network model, there are it look like a same relationship. Okay, network model in the network area. Suppose in this table, okay, so this table is also called as three tables. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, in this table, see also this is many one table. Okay, in this table, and here also one table. So in network model, this means what? See, this table has connectivity between one table. See, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 table. Okay, and this is one of our database that is called main database. Okay, 6. So number 4 table is connection between 1 and connection between 2. It can be connection between 3 also. Okay, so this is look like this. 3 is connected between the 5. Okay, so it can connect between 2 and 3 also. Okay, so this is the network, each table connected to one another. Okay, different table in a network. So you can access this table number 2 and access the data from the table number 4 as well as table number 5. Same look like the table number 3 access the data from the table number 4 and table number 1 and also table number 2. So okay, so this table is in network area. So you can access this all the table data from this table. Okay, or this table can access data from all these three tables. So this is our network model. And fourth one is object oriented model. Fourth one is object oriented model. Oriented model. So in object oriented model, suppose we have table. Okay, and this table has three different table. Okay, so you can access the data from this table to particular this table using object means there are some condition. Okay, you can access the some keys via some keys. Okay, so that is the object model. Okay, so this is the all the type of data models. Suppose now we understand the two terms. Okay, first one is a DBMS, is a database management system. Database management, this name is given in your books. Okay, page number 7. Okay, database management system. And second is the RDBMS, so that is relational database management system. Relational database management system. Okay, so DBMS stand for database management system and RDBMS stand for relational database management system. Understand? So next topic we will learn in the next lectures. Okay, thank you. Jai Somnarayan.